Hello, I'm going to show you how to test SQL scripts in an automated way with PostgreSQL and Docker. So why we need that? If you have a living SQL script codebase and new scripts are added or changed every day, then you may want to protect your stability and catch any regression, any breaking change. To achieve this, you need automated SQL script tests that will run all of your SQL scripts from scratch. Alright, how will we do that? We will prepare a PostgreSQL Docker image that will run all our SQL scripts. If any of the script fails, container will close with a proper message. And maybe sometimes order of our scripts are important. For example, tables should be created before views. And we will kill the container whatever the result is because this is just for testing. Okay, let's start. Create a Docker file and start with a Postgres Docker image tag. Create an initdb script file and we will copy this script file into our Postgres image. And we will make this script to be executed first when Postgres container is started. To make this script file executable, we need this chmod command. Create build.sh and run.sh files. We will put our Docker commands here, Docker build and Docker run. Give DB credentials with environment variables with these -e parameters. I'm mounting my SQL directory with this -y parameter. I will put my SQL script files in this SQL directory. Make our build and run scripts executable and let's build our image and start testing. Okay, we can see our hello world message here that we put in our initdb script. Now we are starting the real work. Create a function to run a SQL file and check for errors. Get the first parameter as file variable. Write the PSQL command to execute this SQL file against our PostgreSQL DB. Get DB credentials variables from environment variables that we have passed with docker run command. And direct standard error to standard output to see any error. Print the output to the console. Check the exit code to see if there is any problem. Okay, we are done with the first version of our run SQL file. Let's create an example SQL file and call run SQL file function for this tables SQL file. We can see this error in tables SQL file log. Let's check it. What is the problem? It says Postgres user does not exist. It looks like we are missing a dollar char here. Now we can see some errors related to SQL script. Let's check it. What is the problem? Here it is. Let's delete this additional D char and try again. Now we are fine. There is no error. Okay, let's improve our initdb script a little bit more. We will kill the container after all SQL script executions are done, even if it is success or fail. Put an onErrorStop parameter to PSQL. Create a cleanup function to kill the PostgreSQL server. Put some trapped lines to catch any exit status and call this cleanup function. In case of exit with code 1, we will print dbinit failed log. And in case of with exit code with 0, we will check our success flag and put some logs according to that. Okay, let's make script buggy and try again. And yes, we can see the error log here. And the container is killed as we can see here. Okay, let's improve the script a little bit more. We will read file names from a text file to run them in a specified order. Run run a SQL file function for each line read from the file, and if there is a problem, assign false to our success flag. Let's create a second SQL script file, such as views.sql. Put the file names in ordered SQL files text file. We are putting tables first and views second. Okay, we need to fix something in our script, not Docker, we should put a do here. Alright, scripts look executed without problem. But we have a cleanup command not found log here. We need to fix something, I think. There is a typo here. Let's fix it. Okay, we can see the success log now. Let's play with scripts and make them buggy. If we see the fail log, yes, we can see db failed log here. Now I am putting some explanations about the script. Okay, let's simulate a day 2 scenario. You come and add new script and you add that file name into these ordered SQL files txt and run again. And if you add a buggy script, you can catch easily the problem. Okay, that's it. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.